In this video, I will show you how to disable hotkeys on Windows 11. I will show you how. First, on your desktop, go to search and type in Registry Editor. In here, look carefully because there's a lot of folders here. First, choose HRay Current User and go to Software. After that, look for Microsoft and just scroll down and click Windows. After that, look for current version. In here, you're going to see policies. And you want to right click that folder and select New and then Key. It will pop up a new folder and rename it as Explorer. After that, right click again and New, then select the word 32-bit value. Rename it again as No Win Keys. And simply click it. Then change the value data from 0 to 1. Simply click OK. After that, you might want to close all the tabs and restart your computer. That's it. I hope this video helped you out.